The Requisition Approvals feature allows the ability to approve specimens from studies requiring authorization for use in a given requisition. This additional layer of approvals can be enabled by a system preference. Once enabled, specimens in those studies will need to be approved for use in a requisition before requisition tasks can be completed on them. To see requisition approvals in action, we can first create a new requisition. Now we can add our files. Once inside the requisition, you can see that the approval status for these specimens is pending. So if we add the tasks we need to complete, now we can save and submit the requisition. Then now we can see the approval status is still pending. So if we highlight our specimens and attempt to complete the pull task, a note will display and you will be prevented from completing the task. From inside the requisition, you can change the approval status. In order to change the approval status, you must either be the study's PI or you must have explicit study permissions to complete approvals. You also cannot be the user who created the requisition. So if I attempt to approve the specimens and be prevented from approving the specimens, I will get a note because I have created this requisition. After logging into BSI as the PI of this study, I can see the requisition and open it. Once inside this requisition, I can highlight whichever specimens I would like to approve, and from the right column header menu under Approve Specimens, I can mark them as approved, and their approval status will change. I can also select the right mouse button column header menu under Approve Specimens and reject these specimens for this requisition, and the include status will change to denied, and all tasks will be labeled denied. When a requisition is submitted and specimens are requested for inclusion which belong to a study requiring authorization, the study PI will be notified via email of the specimen requests and provided with a link to BSI Web where they can approve the specimens. From the specimen approval page on BSI Web, you can check specimens, select whether you wish to approve or deny them, and add a comment. You can also select all of the specimens and perform the same action. After all specimens have either been approved or denied for inclusion in the requisition, processing can continue. The approval comments will be listed next to the approval status. Attempts to either apply or complete tasks to denied specimens will be disallowed. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at bsifeedback@imsweb.com.